Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and this is the third episode of DAX Sundays. In today's video, we are going to discuss about sum and summarize function, how we can use it and how they are going to help us in our day-to-day life when we are going to create the Power BI reports. So we are going to consider a scenario where we have to calculate a summarize table as well as we have to calculate the running total so that we can analyze our sales data. So what we are waiting for, let's head over to my laptop. Very first, we have to create two new measures using sum function and distinct count. Let me show you how to do that. Create a new measure with the name sales total, and we are going to calculate sum and choose the sales column over here in my data. That's it. We have calculated the sales total. Now another measure that I want to create for the order quantity. So for that, I'll do order quantity, order total, let's say, and over here distinct count over here. Either you have to use the count or distinct count. So distinct count is going to give the distinct count of the number of values are present in that particular column. So I have a column order number, so this would give me the total order quantity. Now we have to calculate their running total as well. In order to calculate the running total, we have to calculate first a variable for the filterization. We have to filter the data, and then we have to use the same formula as we used for the order total. First of all, we have to create another measure, running order total. For that, we have to create a new variable which I'm going to call filter period. That means we are going to create over here a filter based on the order date. So for that, I'm going to use the filter function, which is used to filter the data. First, we need to use the table and the expression after that one. So let me get the table name sales order. Because my order date is in this table, so I'm gonna use the sales order, and since I have to remove all the filters, so I'm gonna say all selected. If there is a filter that I'm applying manually, then it's okay, otherwise it's gonna remove all the filters over there. And then I'm gonna say order date, it should be less than equals to the maximum order date, which is being used to calculate the running total. Now return a value based on this one. I'm sorry, there's one more bracket is going to come. Return a value. What we want to return from this one, we want to return distinct count. Calculate distinct count of order number. Close this, and now we have to filter the data. So we have already created a variable, and then we can use it because this is going to filter our data. Then we can hit the enter. It's being created, and let's check it out. So you can see that now it's going to calculate your cumulative or running total. So 5 plus 3 8 plus 6 14, and so on. Let me create another measure over here, sales running total, and what we have to do over here, again we have to create a filter variable. So we have calculated this variable. Now we have to return the value, and in the return value we need calculate function, which is going to return sum of total sales. So we have sales over here, this is the sales. Now we have to filter this, and we have already created one filter period variable, so let's use it. Once you hit the enter, then close this and take this running sales running total, in this one. And now if I'll just put it up, you will see it's gonna return us the running total for the sales, and you can check at last both values are the same. So let's plot a graph for this one. So what I can do over here, I'll take this line graph, and here now you can clearly see that we have different values: sales total, sales running total, order total, and order running total, and we can easily compare those values. You can change your scale to log scale, and now you can see every values very clearly. Now let's discuss about the summarize function, how we can use the summarize function and why this is so important. My manager asked me that you have to give me a table in which I can see the country and then the city and their corresponding sales and the order quantity. So in that case, summarize function is very helpful, and also you would face different scenarios in your future while working on the Power BI, and you will find the summarize function is really great and it helps a lot. So let's do that. For that, I'm gonna create a new table. Over here, I'm gonna go to the modeling tab, new table. I'm gonna say summarize table bracket country. So what you have to do, first of all, whenever you would write a function, DAX function summarize, you will see it's gonna say we need first a table name from on the basis of which we are going to create this summarize table. Then we have to give it a name of the column. Then we have to apply certain expressions, and if we are not going to apply any expressions in the statement, it's going to return us the error. Our table name is sales order. What I'm going to do over here, I need first my country, so select the country. Then I need the city. Let's take the city. And now what I need, we are gonna apply the sum function on sales, so which is gonna give me the total sales. It's grouping by country and the city. And then I also need the order. Now I need the order as well, so let me take that too. It's saying something is wrong, parameter is not the correct type. Oh yes, because I didn't give it a name, so I have to give a name, total sales. Now I need the order quantity, so I'll write order quantity, and my expression over here would count distinct count over here, and the order number. So now you just need to close it. Let's see how does that table looks. So over here in the fields pane, you will see summarize table has been created. But how does it actually looks? We have to go in the table view. You will see there is a summarize table, and over here we have a country field, then we have a city, and our total sales and order quantity has been summarized. So this is a way to create a new summarize table using the summarize function. I hope you liked today's video. For more videos, stay tuned to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates.